Hello guys, this is Vatsal here from VS Tech, and in this video let's unbox the Zenfone Max Pro M1 and have a first look. So this is the box of Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So main highlights of this smartphone are 5000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 636 processor and 6-inch display, which is a Full HD Plus display. So sliding down the box, we have the leaflets on the top itself. And here is that smiling SIM ejector tool. Then we have the phone itself, and for a 5000 mAh battery phone, this feels light. So I have brought a 32GB storage and 3GB RAM variant of this smartphone, and it is a black in color, and as you can see it looks amazing. The screen is 2.5D curved from all the sides and it looks good, but it is not protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. The back of this phone is made up of metal with plastic used upside down for antennas, and the back gives a bluish tint which looks good, and also it is a fingerprint magnet. Digging further in the box, we have a micro USB to USB cable for charging and data transfers. It is sad to see that it is still not having a Type-C. Then we have a 5V 2A charger, which is a normal charger and not a fast charger. Also, this phone do not support fast charging. And then we have Max Box. It amplifies the sound of this smartphone, and I will give a sample for this in the end of the video. Now let's have a look at the phone itself. So till I boot and set it up, let me give you a specifications overview. So this smartphone has a 6-inch Full HD Plus 18:9 display and houses a Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 processor and comes in 3 variants: 332, 464 and 664. And the 664 variant comes with upgraded cameras, and it is not available for sale as of now, but will be available at the end of May. Now talking about the cameras, it has dual camera setup on the rear with the primary camera of 13 megapixels and the secondary camera of 5 megapixels. And the front camera is of 8 megapixels. So now let's do its physical overview. So on the top you just have a secondary microphone and nothing else. And on the right side you have the power button and the volume rockers. Then on the bottom you have the 3.5mm headphone jack, the USB port, speakers and the primary microphone. And on the left side you have the triple slot tray, which can accept both the SIMs and the microSD card at the same time. Now coming to the rear of the smartphone, we have a dual camera setup, which includes a primary sensor of 13 megapixels with the aperture of f2.2 and a secondary camera of 5 megapixels, which is a depth sensor. There is also a single LED flash and a fingerprint scanner on the back with Asus branding. Now coming to the front of the phone, we have a 8 megapixel front facing camera, and it do not have any LED flash. And then we have earpiece and sensors. As you can see, it is a triple slot tray, means you can use both your SIMs and a microSD card at the same time. Now coming to the available storage, it has about 23.5GB available at the first boot, and it is a 32GB ROM variant. Now as you can see, it runs on a stock Android build. It is still Zen UI, but it is very close to stock. And also Asus has promised 2 major Android updates, means Android P and Q probably. Now coming to the fingerprint scanner speed test, it has been improved by the latest software updates pushed by Asus, but still it is a bit slower than the Redmi Note 5 Pro and its competition. And out of the box, it had small software update for improving the fingerprint scanner speed and performance. Now let's do a sound test. Now the sound via Max Box. So I will be making a lot more videos on this Zenfone Max Pro M1 very soon. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and click on that bell icon to get notifications whenever a video goes live on VS Tech. I will also be uploading its camera review very soon, so stay tuned. So that's it in this video. If you did like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends and family members if anyone is interested in this phone. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next one.